everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. I hope you're doing wonderful. So today is going to be a Weight Watchers freestyle grocery haul. It's going to be a cumulative haul from like 4 stores. So I did Walmart, Costco, Aldi, and Target, just because I like to get the more bang for my buck and I like to kind of go around and like bargain shop. So it was divided amongst 2 days, so I didn't go to 4 stores all in one day. But I wanted to show you what I did get from Aldi and Target. So the total between these 2 stores was $80, and between the other 2 stores was $80. So it was about $160. But these groceries are not only just for like a week or two, these are like kind of, I got a lot of canned goods and stuff, so they can last me for quite some time. So if you guys are new here, I hope you will follow and stick around and hang out with me and kind of go with me on this Weight Watchers journey. I am new to it. This is going to be my 3rd weigh-in this coming weekend. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. I'm really enjoying it. I did just get off the keto diet, so it's a whole new way of life for me. So with all that being said, subscribe, stick around, hang out with me, and let's see how things go. And let me show you what I bought. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off at the Aldi side because I got the bulk of my stuff from Aldi. So I did get a lot of multiples. So I got 3 cans of this diced, let me see if you can see, diced tomatoes with the green chilies. Why can't I focus? Yeah, there you go. So I got 3 cans of these, 0 points, and they really like give a good flavor to a lot of foods. So I went ahead and picked those up. So I got 3 cans of those. And then I got 2 cans of the Fit and Active Cream and Mushroom Soup. They didn't have the 99% free one, so it's 2 points for a half a cup. I'm going to incorporate these in some recipes, and yeah, so stay tuned. I got 2 cans of black beans for 0 points. I got 2 cans of this spaghetti meatballs for my girls. I won't eat this. I got 2 cans of the garbanzo beans for 0 points. I like to make salads with these, so, and I might give my hand at hummus. I also got 2 cans of the fat-free refried beans because I'm gonna make like these calzone type things with this in there, and these are for 0 points as well. The kids got marshmallows, and I secretly love marshmallows, so they're 4 points for 4 of them if you guys like them like I do sometimes and just want a snack. So they're probably about a point each, and they're the big ones. I got these peanut butter toast crackers for my daughter for school, and I was like, you know what, I wonder how many. So for a whole pack, so I think there's like 2 or 4 in a pack, it's 4 points. So wait. And then I got a thing of light butter. It's 2 points for 1 tablespoon. I went ahead and got some cheese crackers, which my girls love these, and these are not too bad. For 28 crackers, it's 5 points, which I didn't think was too bad. I can probably divide that up into something else, but yeah, so I thought that was pretty good. Again, for the girls' lunch, I got these honey buns, and I was like, I wonder how many points these are. 9 points. I can't believe it. I will not eat you, honey buns. I went ahead and I bought some of this cornbread stuffy mix for a half a cup. It's 3 points, and I got a meal planned for this. I bought 2 of these pepper jack spreadable cheese wedges. They're like the Laughing Cow ones, but way cheaper. And for one of them is 1 point, and they are delicious, and they are way bigger than the Laughing Cow ones as well. I got 2 cans of the diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano in them. These are 0 points, and I also have a recipe planned for these, and they're not bad to have stocked in the cabinet, you know. I got 2 things of pickles for sandwiches. I bought 2 things of the Light and Fit chicken broth, 0. My fat-free half and half. This is what I've been using for my coffee, guys, and it's actually been pretty good. So for one, I think, what is it? I use 15 grams for 0 points, 30 grams for 1 point. So I think it's 2 tablespoons is 1 point. So I use a half a tablespoon or whatever. What's the serving size? I'll tell you. Yeah, so 1 tablespoon per cup of coffee. So for every 2 cups of coffee is 1 point for me. I bought these for my girls, and I decided to scan them too, and I didn't think it was too bad. For 1 whole cup is 4 points for these fruit rounds. I didn't think that was too bad. And then I got a thing of the unsweetened almond milk. For 1 whole glass for 8 ounces is 1 point. I got these for the kids, and I scanned them, and I could not believe it. So these yogurts are 8 points, but they're for my daughters, so they can have them. I got some ground cumin. I went ahead and got the Fit and Active bread. So for 2 pieces is 2 points. It's a piece each, and it's really good and very affordable. I bought 2 things of zucchini for 0 points. I love zucchini. I bought the big carrots, and I'm just gonna peel them. They're a better buy. So for like dips, and I have like cabbage and stuff. So I bought 2 of those. I bought a big pack of onions, a bag of sweet potatoes, 0 points, 0 points. A thing of blueberries, 0 points. A thing of celery, 0 points. 2 mangoes, because my little one loves mangoes, 0 points. I don't know if I'll eat those though. Those have a lot of sugar in them. A thing of tomatoes for 0 points. So that whole thing was my Aldi haul, and that was for about $64. Oh, I also got like toilet paper and paper towels. So from Target, I went ahead and I bought my frozen vegetables because on Cartwheel this week, the Bird's Eye vegetables are $1, and they were like an additional, I think, 25% off. So they were 75 cents each. So I got 2 bags of corn, 2 bags of corn, like mixed vegetables, and 2 bags of broccoli. And I got a brick of frozen spinach because I'm thinking of making like a spinach dip. So got that. And then their ground turkey, the extra lean, the 0 point ground turkey was on sale for $4 a pound, which is unheard of. So they only have 1 left, so I bought it. And then I bought these drop-ins for my water. I absolutely love these, and this helps me make sure I get my water in. And it's a strawberry lemonade. That is my favorite one from them. And then lastly, I got some spaghetti, which was taking me forever in there because I couldn't figure it out. But this is like the lowest point one I can find. It's 5 points for 2 ounces. It's the Protein Plus one. I do have a menu, like a meal planned out with it. So hopefully I can kind of make it a lower point if I don't know. I'm going to figure it out, guys. But I haven't had spaghetti in forever, so I'm super excited. And I figured I'll give this one a try. So if you guys have tried this, let me know. And if you guys have a better lower point option for spaghetti other than like spaghetti squash or zucchini or whatever, but like pasta, let me know so I can give it a try. And yeah, so, and this here was $19. This haul, some of these things are from Walmart and some are from Costco. So some things are for me and some are for the kids. So I went ahead and I found this 3-pound bag of sweet potatoes from Walmart. I believe it's 1 cup is 6 points of cooked sweet potatoes, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so, and then these are for the girls for lunch. I won't be eating those. I went and I picked up this Taco Bell mild sauce at 0 points. There's a lady I follow on Instagram. I think it's Weight Watchers G Life or something like that. And she makes the 2-ingredient dough, but she'll put fat-free refried beans with some of this and a little bit of cheese inside like a calzone, and I want to try it because it looks so good. So that's why I bought that. And I bought this G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce because I want to do barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. So for 2 tablespoons, it is 0 points. This stuff is so good, guys. I finally found the fat-free cheddar cheese. Guys, these are over $3. I can't believe it. So I did buy 3 of them, so it was an expensive cheese day, but I've been dying to try them. So for 1/4 of a cup is 0 points, so I'm really excited. So I bought 2 cheddar and 1 mozzarella. I bought a pack of the Hidden Valley Fiesta Ranch dip for dips, obviously. I bought a spinach one, and it's 0, and I think I'm going to make a spinach dip. Look out for a cook with me. So, and this will be featured. It's going to be a good one, guys. I bought the sugar-free French vanilla. My Walmart did not have the cheesecake one that everybody has, so I just picked this up. For 1/4 of a package is 1 point. We're going to have meatloaf one night for dinner, so I bought 2 of these packs for 0. I went ahead and I bought some fat-free cream cheese, 1 point for 1 ounce. So I want to make like oven fried like chicken or pork chops and stuff. So I found this, and this is actually has less points per serving than panko, than like shake and bake or whatever it's called. So I picked this up. So it's 1 point for 2 tablespoons, and the chicken, I'll do it on a chicken breast. So I don't know, we're gonna see how I can incorporate it, but I want to do something like this. Yeah, so anyways, we're gonna see. I'm gonna try it out for a recipe. Hopefully it turns out good. So stay tuned. I'll do it in a video. Okay, we're still at Walmart. So I went ahead and I got some of the Joseph's pita bread for one pita is 1 point. I got 2 packs. And then I got the lavish bread. For the whole lavish bread is 2 points. For half it's 1 point. And I bought 2 of those. I got 2 dozens of eggs because they were 77 cents. So I picked up 2 of those bad boys. And I believe that is all from Walmart. So we did go to Costco, so let me show you what I got from Costco. We're having Salisbury steak tonight, so I got some mushrooms. I picked up 2 of these turkey breasts. So for 6 pieces is 0 points, and 6 pieces gives you a pretty good sandwich. So I picked up 2 of these for me and Ray, and they're very good. I like them. I got a thing of their Greek yogurt. This is 0, and it's for 3 pounds, so this is only like $5, so it was a really good price. I picked up a pack of bananas. I picked up 2 things of the artesian romaine lettuce. I like this one a lot. And then for vegetable this week, I tried this stir-fry vegetable blend. I've been really into like all these veggies lately. And yeah, so this big bag was only like, I think $7. So I got that. And then for the girls, I got them these Black Angus cheeseburgers. They're really good. I haven't had them since I've been on Weight Watchers, but I had them before. But these suckers are 18 points. So yeah, I'm not eating those. But yeah, so that's all we got from Costco. So this is going to be just the Costco Walmart haul. So for between both of these stores, I think it was $70. All right, guys, so that's it. That's my entire haul. Like I said, a lot of those canned goods are going to expand over longer period of time, and I did have a lot of recipes in mind. I'm really trying to stay out of the grocery store for midweek stops. I'm really trying to cut down on my grocery budget, and I feel like going Weight Watchers has really helped me with that, because when you're eating keto, you eat a lot of meat and a lot of protein, and that's really expensive. So I definitely have noticed it lightening up my bill. I've had to buy some initial things just because of just starting over. But all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.